In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dodge and burn in Photoshop for landscape photography. If you've been looking for ways to enhance the dynamic quality of your images and bring your landscape shots to life, you're in the right place. We're about to dive into a method that helps accentuate the natural beauty of your photos and makes the details pop. To begin, open Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're using an older version or the latest edition, this process remains consistent, so don't worry too much about which version you have. It's about utilizing these tools effectively. Once you're in the program, the first thing you'll want to do is resize your image while maintaining its quality. To achieve this, navigate to the Image Size dialog. By using this feature, you can adjust your photograph to the desired dimensions without losing clarity, ensuring your art is presented at its best resolution. Take a moment to set the dimensions appropriately. Next, it's time to add your image. Simply drag and drop your chosen landscape photo into the Photoshop workspace. This can be a raw image from your camera or a TIFF file, depending on what format you prefer to work in. Having your image in the workspace allows you to access all the essential editing tools Photoshop offers, laying the groundwork for the artistic adjustments we'll be making. Now comes the part where we blend the image. This is crucial in dodging and burning, as it sets the stage for enhancing the photo's depth and detail. In Photoshop, blending can involve using various layers and adjustments to seamlessly integrate different exposures or adjust the overall tone of your photograph. Take the time to ensure your layers are organized and apply any initial corrections needed to bring balance to highlights and shadows. With the image prepped, we'll focus on color dodging and burning. These techniques allow us to selectively lighten and darken areas of the image, drawing the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. To do this, you can create separate adjustment layers for dodging and burning, which gives you precise control over the effect. Adjust your brush opacity and size to match the subtlety of the landscape details, such as softly brushing over the leaves of a tree to highlight them or darkening the edge of a cloud to add drama. Remember, the key here is subtlety. Overdoing it can lead to unnatural looking images, so keep a keen eye on the effect you're building. Take breaks, step back, and view your image as a whole to ensure your edits maintain the image's natural feel. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively use dodge and burn techniques in your landscape photography, enhancing your photo's impact and making your landscapes truly shine. Keep practicing and experimenting with these methods to develop a style that resonates with your creative vision.